Hey guys, what's up? Listen, we just posted the winners from our February 21-day transformation challenge, and I gotta tell you, man, these guys, I can't wait. I'm gonna pop in here a couple of pictures. It'll take me just a few minutes to put them together, but to show you what kind of results people are getting in our 21-day challenges in just 3 weeks. Guys, keep in mind when you look at these pictures that these are people in progress. These are people just like you and just like me who deal with everyday stressors and everyday things that come up that get in the way of our goals. And this is just what they've been able to accomplish in 3 short weeks. So when you're looking at these pictures, just kind of think, what could I accomplish in 3 weeks if I just focused and if I really had the community and the support to get it done? And what I can tell you from years and years of doing this is sometimes you can be told exactly what to do. You can be shown exactly what to do. You can literally have the plan and the food and the nutrients and all of it dropped right into your life, and it's just not enough. Sometimes you need that community. Sometimes you need that coaching. Sometimes you need that support system. And I get it. I am the same way. Sometimes when I'm doing things on my own, it's fine. I can do it. I like for things to be hard. I like to accomplish difficult things. But man, when you have a community and the support, it just is a total game changer. So I'm going to show you the results these guys are getting. And it just blows my mind. By the way, I'm going to come back to this. I got something special for you guys. So let me go grab those pictures and I'll be right back. Hey guys, what's up? Listen, we just posted the winners from our February 21-day transformation challenge. And I got to tell you, man, these guys, I can't wait. I'm gonna pop in here. There's so many more. I'm gonna pop in another video here that has some of our past month's winners in it, so you can just see that just month after month after month after month, year after year, people are slamming these challenges and getting just results that they're incredibly proud of and that make them feel so good, which makes me feel so good as one of the host coaches for these challenges. But anyway, registration is now open for the March challenge. So I'm going to pop some information in here for you on the March challenge first. If you want registration details, listen, I'm a no hassle kind of person. If you want the details, I'm happy to send them to you, but I'm not going to chase you down, and I don't try to drag anybody, because here's what I've learned after 24 years now of doing this and working with people like this, is if I have to drag them to the very first step, I have to drag and coax and prod them every step of the way, and they're going to eventually quit because it wasn't their decision to get started in the first place. It was because they felt like they were supposed to, and I don't want that. So anyway, if you want the information, I'm happy to send it to you, hassle-free. If it's for you, awesome. If it's not for you or not for you right now, also awesome. I'm totally good with it. And hey guys, what's up? Listen, we just posted the winners from our February 21-day transformation challenge, and I gotta tell you, man, these guys, I can't wait. I'm gonna pop, and that's kind of a lot today, so we're gonna come back to this tomorrow.